I'm going to have you enter right down for runway 31 right. As you get a little closer, we'll see if we can get you to the big runway. Air 4 traffic, Twin Commander approaching the 520 bridge, entering a right downwind.
Look at Air 4.
Extra 5 Mike traffic off your left side, 1 mile maneuvering helicopter 1,400 indicated additional traffic approaching the 520 bridge, inbound Commander descending out of 1,500. Extra 5 Mike, if you just make that slight right turn towards the north tip of Mercer Island, traffic looks like they're going to pass off your left side now, just past the 520 bridge, 1,500 indicated. Lima traffic passing over Mercer. They're going to be passing over the north tip of Mercer Island over the West Channel on 90 Bridge. You see extra 1,100 indicated.
Alright, we're looking 1 Alpha Lima. We're going to do a barrel roll. Here we go. Pitching up. Now just watch the world go round. Upside down. Now we're going to come back around. Nice and easy and smooth. We'll do a little faster roll. Hang on tight. Just look straight ahead on this now. Here we go. Now we'll do one where we stop every 90 degrees. Here we go. I'll count them off for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do another fast roll. Here we go. Do 2 in a row. Whoa, whoa. We'll do an 8-point roll. We'll stop every 45 degrees. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll do a half Cuban with a roll and a half on the down line. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa. And now we'll do a little bit of inverted flight. We're going to roll us upside down, okay? Okay. Here we go. Now look around. Look at the view. Wow. Look straight ahead. Down. And we'll do another hammerhead. Here we go, look at the left wing. All right, well that's about it. We'll do one more roll on the way back. All right, all right.